Hi guys, I welcome you back to YouTube Assets. In this video, we'll be talking about how to add Satoshi Core Mainnet into your MetaMask. So if you are already using MetaMask and think you are not new to this, but if you don't have MetaMask, you can just do what? You can just download this on Play Store or Apple Store. If you download this, then open it and make sure you write down your passphrase and also remember your private key. So I will be telling you all of that in the next video. So what we'll be focusing on this one is on how to do what? How to add Core Mainnet into MetaMask in just two different ways. So let us get out to business. At first, go down to once you open your MetaMask account and you already set up everything, then click on this menu, go to browser, let it finish loading, then you will see the URL on my video description. So just copy the URL, then paste it under this, which will be scan.coredao.org. So this is the link for Core Mainnet. So as you can see, if we get back to this wallet, you will see that we don't have anything like core here. We only have T core. So the T core means testnet core. So if I click on this, you already know that core chain testnet. So that's the only thing we have. And what we want to add now is Core Mainnet, because it is the Core Mainnet we use to do us to receive your coin from Satoshi app. So if you don't have the core, so there is no way you will receive your core that you mine in Satoshi app. So once you paste this, which is scan.coredao.org, and it has loaded, then scroll the way down. Just click on this add core network. So once you click on add core network, click on approve. Click on switch. As you can see, new network added, so you cannot switch. Click on switch. So if you now get back to your wallet, you now see that it has not been switched. So you can just, if you want to switch from testnet to Core Mainnet, you can just click on this wallet on top here. Then choose your network that you want to activate, maybe testnet. So as you can see, you have switched to core chain testnet. Things to keep in mind: the native token on this network is T core. It is the token used for gas fee. If you attempt to send asset directly from one network to another, this may result in permanent asset loss. So everything like that. And you can also switch back to your core app. So this is the Core Mainnet and this is the core chain. This is the testnet and this is the mainnet one. So it is this mainnet one that you use to receive your fund. You use to receive your core from Satoshi app. So make sure you don't do any mistake. Now, another way to add it manually. So I will advise you to add it manually. The reason is that if you add it automatically, this core you are seeing here is just like a token for the core blockchain. So you understand very soon. So I will be dropping these settings. So you can also check this URL. I will drop in the video description so that you can check it out. So I'm just doing this video for you to understand better. So once as you already know that we use automatic way. So if you want to use manual way, so this is what I want to tell you now. So as you can see, we are in manual way. So if you check these settings here, so this is all what they can say. So as you can see, add the network on your mobile wallet. Tap on the three dot line left. So as you can see here, select settings. That's what we did. Then go to network. So let me get back. Sorry. If I click on settings, go to settings, click on network. Where is network? This network. Then you see these two core here. So let us remove this one. Delete. Now we can add this in this manual way. So just click on add network, then go to custom. So I will be using these settings. Under network name, copy this, then paste it here. Network name, which is called blockchain, RPC URL. So copy this URL, then paste it here. Chain ID, copy it, go to chain ID, paste it here. Symbol, the symbol is core, copy it, then paste it under this symbol. Block Explorer URL, so this is the Block Explorer URL, copy it, then paste it here, then click on add. Once you do that, you now see that it is now core blockchain instead of only core. So you have now added your core into this, you have added core mainnet into MetaMask successfully. So in our next video, we'll be talking about how to link your Satoshi wallet address into your MetaMask, and the next one also, what to know before you link your wallet address. So see you in the next one. Bye.